Hi, welcome to TechBrotherHood. I am Tahir. In this tutorial, we will start Android development with Kotlin. This course will provide you with enough information for developing your first Android application. Before we begin, you should have experience in an object-oriented programming language, comfortable using an IDE, familiar with using GitHub, access to a computer and internet connection, also an Android device and USB cable, but it's not mandatory because Android SDK will provide us virtual devices. So what you'll get? You will learn how to build a variety of Android applications in Kotlin, Kotlin language essentials, best practices for app development, resources to keep learning. Android has many opportunities. Mobile devices are becoming increasingly commonplace. Mobile applications connect users to information and services that can improve their quality of life. Many industries have yet to be revolutionized through mobile and offer great opportunities for new businesses and solutions. These are some statistics are from August 2020. Android is an open source mobile platform, as you know. It has 11 major platform releases so far, 2.5 million monthly active Android devices, and over 2 billion monthly active Google Play users are there. And also there are Android phones, tablets, televisions, watches, and even cars that is run on Android operation system. In 2017, Kotlin was officially announced as another supported language on Android. 2 years later, in 2019, Google announced their commitment to making up Android development increasingly Kotlin first. That means new platform features and libraries will be first made available in Kotlin. As a result, new developers are encouraged to build their Android applications in Kotlin. Together, JetBrains and Google created the Kotlin Foundation project, promote, advance, and development of Kotlin language. Kotlin is an open source, statically typed language, which supports both functional programming and object-oriented programming styles. Kotlin was designed to pragmatic for developers, with a focus on interoperability, safety, clarity, and tooling support. Kotlin is a modern programming language that has rapidly gained momentum in industry. According to JetBrains, as of December 2019, there are over 4 million developers globally using Kotlin. Kotlin is currently ranked as fourth most loved programming language among developers, according to 2020 Stack Overflow developer survey. Furthermore, over 60% of professional Android developers use Kotlin, and over 70% of top 1000 Android applications contain Kotlin code. Here are some key benefits on why to use Kotlin for Android. First of all, it's expressive and concise. With Kotlin, you can express your ideas with less lines of code. There is less boilerplate code. This means development time can be quicker and maintenance is easier. Kotlin also has type inference, so you can omit data types if the Kotlin compiler can infer it, which makes the code more concise. Safer code. Kotlin also has language features to help you avoid common programming errors. For example, the type system in Kotlin helps you avoid null pointer exception in your code, which can lead to less crashes in app. Interoperable. Kotlin is 100% interoperable with the Java programming language. That means you can use existing Java classes and libraries with your Kotlin code. You can add Kotlin to an existing Java project, and there is even a tool to help you convert Java code into Kotlin code. Structured concurrency. With Kotlin coroutines, asynchronous code is as straightforward to work with as blocking code. This simplifies background task management, like network calls or accessing the database. Using coroutines is the recommended solution for asynchronous programming on Android. Kotlin is at its best when it's used idiomatically. Avoid just translating Java code into Kotlin. As you learn more Kotlin, you'll find it easier, more concise ways to do things. For a list of common Kotlin idioms, refer to the Kotlin language guide on idioms. I'll be giving you this idiom in the description below. About our roadmap. To build an Android application in Kotlin, we'll be focused on learning the essentials of Kotlin programming language first. We'll cover a range of basic Kotlin language features in the first 3 weeks of the course. Once you become familiar with Kotlin, you will learn about Android development for the remaining 10 weeks of the course. But that can but that maybe vary because we can make these courses more quickly. During class, we'll be going over important Kotlin and Android topics for each lesson. While there is a lot of content to cover, the important thing to remember is that you'll get hands-on practice while learning pathways to apply what you learned. After each class, you'll get a link to learning pathway for you to complete on your own. After you complete the learning activities within the pathway, be sure to complete the quiz to earn a badge. You can access pathways from the link in the description. This is how you'll access the course on Android developers website and pathways within them. What is a pathway? It's an ordered sequence of activities to learn a specific skill. An activity can be a video, hands-on coding tutorial known as Codelab, an article, or a quiz. You can see 3 activities in this first pathway. All of these activities are meant to help you reach specific learning objectives by the end of this pathway. What's a Codelab? It's a hands-on coding tutorial that provides practical instructions for implementing the concepts presenting in the preceding lecture. At the end of each pathway, there is a quiz. There is a quiz to test what you've learned so far. Once you complete the quiz, you earn a badge that can be saved on your Google developer profile. You can access your profile direct using the link in the description. You'll need to install IntelliJ IDEA to be able to use Kotlin REPL and to run Kotlin programs. REPL is Kotlin Interactive Shell. You can write Kotlin code in shell and run it. Here are some resources to work with it. If you want, you can learn independently from these resources. Thank you for listening to me. I'll see you in the next tutorial.